Hi, and welcome to Introduction to Excel for Finance and Accounting. My name is Dobromir, and I will be your instructor throughout this course. I have 10 plus years of experience in the fields of accounting, finance, audit, budgeting, financial modeling, and analysis. I'm a fellow of the ACCA and also an FMVA certified by the CFI. During my work, I often get asked the question how to get into accounting, how to get into finance, and lately, especially as I'm doing more consulting, how to get into Excel for finance and accounting. In this course, I've summarized the key formulas that are used in the field and also some of the most beneficial shortcuts that you can use to speed up your workflow. I'm gonna start by briefly explaining the functions and the shortcuts, and then we're gonna work on 4 mini projects that would illustrate how exactly are those functions used in finance and accounting. This course is great for students, for people who have small businesses and want to get a bit more into analyzing their figures, and also for anyone who wants to learn a bit more about how Excel is applied in the field of finance and accounting. Are you excited to start? Then enroll in the course and I'll see you in class.